Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, Husna's Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with other two YouTubers, Rukia Laltia and Cook with Rania. I'll be doing Bajia snacks and the other two will be doing cassava snack and potato balls. So sit back, relax and enjoy our recipe. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so that you don't miss our videos every week. On today's ingredients, you'll need grated carrots, coriander, onion chopped into small pieces, some green bell peppers, spinach, potatoes chopped into small pieces, and blended garlic. Then you'll also need a garam flour, baking powder, salt to taste, and water. So my cooking dish bowl, add half amount of cooking flour, followed by onions, coriander, chili bellies, and some grated carrots. Then add some spinach, chopped potatoes, and grated garlic. After you are done, add some salt to taste, 1 spoon of baking powder. You can add more if you want to. Then mix everything well using your hand. Add some few amount of water as you mix your flour and your vegetables all together. I'll add some amount of water again until my flour gets thickened. This is how your mix is supposed to be. Add a few amount of cooking oil and deep fry your bajias. At the beginning, make sure you deep fry your bajia on a high heat, then later reduce your heat on a low medium heat so that your bajias can cook inside well. Turn the bajia every now and then so that you can get a nice golden brown color. And my tasty vegetable bajias are ready, as you can see in the video. Serve along with a tomato or tamarind and enjoy your bajias. Don't forget to watch my two other fellow YouTubers videos so that you get to know how to make Swahili snacks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification and comment down below after you are done. And bye!